Bump to the right. Bump to the left. A little more attitude, gentlemen. How about every time you bump those hips? Here we go. Let's try that one more time. Bump to the right. Bump to the left. Bump to the right. Bump to the left. All right, now without stopping, get ready. And wow, I think they got it. All right, gentlemen. Now, next step. Next step is called fa'arapo. Fa'arapo means fast, but today we're going to take it nice and slow. Then we're going to speed it up. Hands on your head, gentlemen. If you can spread out a little bit, gentlemen, that'll be great. No, stay in place. Just spread out. All right. Bend your knees, gentlemen. Feet apart. Okay, nice and slow. Here we go. And fa'arapo. Slow.